Have you ever wondered how mushrooms can help in weight loss and heart health? Welcome to the fascinating world of fungi. Today, we're going to explore the extraordinary role that mushrooms, yes, mushrooms, play in our diets. Mushrooms are more than just a tasty topping on your pizza or an ingredient in your favorite stir-fry. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. From the common white button mushroom to the exotic shiitake, each variety brings its unique nutritional profile to the table. Take the white button mushroom for instance. It's a great source of potassium, a mineral that's vital for heart health. Then there's the shiitake, revered in Asian cuisine for its rich, savory flavor. Shiitakes are packed with B vitamins, which help to boost our energy levels and support our brain function. And let's not forget the portobello, a meaty mushroom that's high in antioxidants, helping to protect our cells against damage. But the magic of mushrooms doesn't stop there. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, they contain compounds that can help to regulate our blood pressure, support our immune system, and even lower our risk of certain types of cancer. And we'll be delving into all of this in more detail in the coming scenes. As you can see, mushrooms are much more than just a humble fungus. They're a versatile and nutritious food that can play a key role in our health and well-being. And the best part, they're delicious too. So, whether you're a gourmet cook or a novice in the kitchen, there's a mushroom out there that's just right for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the science behind the magic of mushrooms. We're just scratching the surface of what these fantastic fungi can do, and there's so much more to discover. So, come along on this journey as we uncover the power of mushrooms. You might just find yourself reaching for that mushroom the next time you're at the grocery store. So, how exactly do mushrooms aid in weight loss? Well, let's start with the basics. Mushrooms are low in calories and high in fiber. This combination makes them an excellent choice for those watching their weight. The low calorie count means you can consume a decent portion without worrying about exceeding your daily intake. For instance, 100 grams of white button mushrooms contains just 22 calories. That's less than a tenth of what you'd get from 100 grams of pasta. But it's not just about the calories. The high fiber content in mushrooms aids in digestion and provides a feeling of fullness. This can help to curb overeating, as you'll feel satisfied for longer after a meal. In addition to their low-calorie and high-fiber properties, mushrooms have another trick up their sleeve when it comes to weight loss. They contain certain compounds that can boost metabolism. One of these compounds is vitamin B, which is known to support a healthy metabolism. Now, metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. During this complex biochemical process, calories in food and beverages are combined with oxygen to release the energy your body needs to function. A boosted metabolism means that your body is able to burn off calories more efficiently, which in turn can help with weight loss. Moreover, mushrooms are rich in protein, a nutrient that is essential for muscle building and repair. And since muscle burns more calories than fat, having more muscle can help you burn off even more calories. So there you have it. Mushrooms are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with metabolism-boosting compounds. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. This isn't to say that simply adding mushrooms to your diet will magically make the pounds disappear, but they can certainly be a valuable addition to a balanced diet and regular exercise regime. So, if you're trying to shed some pounds, don't forget to add mushrooms to your diet. But how about heart health? Let's find out in the next scene. Ever considered mushrooms as a heart-friendly food? Well, if you haven't, it's high time you should. Mushrooms are packed with nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for our heart health. They are an excellent source of both antioxidants and fiber, two key elements that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. Antioxidants are substances that help protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Imagine antioxidants as the body's little defenders, fighting off these harmful invaders that can cause damage to our cells, including those in our heart. Mushrooms, particularly varieties like shiitake and maitake, are a powerhouse of antioxidants, such as ergothioneine and selenium, which boost our body's defense system and help keep heart diseases at bay. Fiber, on the other hand, is a heart's best friend. It helps to lower the levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, in our blood, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Mushrooms are a good source of this heart-friendly nutrient. In fact, a cup of raw sliced white mushrooms contains about 1 gram of fiber. That might not sound like much, but every little bit adds up, especially when you're trying to meet your daily fiber goals for heart health. Moreover, mushrooms are known to have a high potassium to sodium ratio. This is good news for your blood pressure. Potassium helps negate the effects of sodium, helping to lower blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, not only are mushrooms a delicious addition to your meals, they are also working hard behind the scenes to keep your heart happy and healthy. Whether you sauté them, grill them, or toss them in a salad, these humble fungi are doing their part to protect your heart. Clearly, mushrooms are a heart's best friend, but how can you incorporate them into your diet? Stay tuned. Wondering how to include more mushrooms in your meals? If you're nodding your head, you're in for a treat. Mushrooms are an incredibly versatile food that can be added to a wide variety of dishes. So, let's dive right in and explore some simple ways to make mushrooms a regular part of your diet. Firstly, consider replacing some of your meat with mushrooms. They have a meaty texture and rich umami flavor that can satisfy even the most carnivorous among us. Try swapping out half the ground meat in your recipes with finely chopped mushrooms. You'll not only reduce your calorie intake but also add a new depth of flavor to your meals. Secondly, mushrooms are a great addition to breakfast dishes. Stir them into your scrambled eggs, layer them in your morning omelet, or even pile them onto your avocado toast. They'll provide a hearty start to your day and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. Thirdly, mushrooms make a fantastic filling for sandwiches and wraps. Try grilling portobello mushrooms and using them as a burger substitute, or chop them up and mix them with your favorite veggies for a delicious and nutritious wrap. Next, don't forget about soups and stews. Mushrooms can add a robust flavor to these dishes, making them even more comforting and satisfying. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even make a creamy mushroom soup that's both delicious and heart-healthy. Lastly, mushrooms can also be a star ingredient in your salads. Whether raw or cooked, they can add a burst of flavor and texture that makes your salads more enjoyable and filling. Remember, the key to incorporating mushrooms into your diet is creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types and combinations. And of course, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and creative ways to enjoy your food. With these tips, you can easily make mushrooms a regular part of your diet. But before we end, let's do a quick recap. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We delved into the wonderful world of mushrooms and discovered their incredible power. Not just your average fungus, mushrooms pack a punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly in aiding weight loss and promoting heart health. We learned that mushrooms are low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in protein. This unique combination creates a feeling of fullness, curbing our appetite and reducing overall calorie intake. This makes mushrooms a fantastic food for those seeking to shed some pounds in a healthy and sustainable way. But that's not all. We also discussed how mushrooms can contribute to heart health. Rich in antioxidants, they help to combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to heart diseases. They also contain potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure, and sterols, which can lower cholesterol. Incorporating mushrooms into your diet can therefore be a powerful step towards a healthier heart. As we moved through the video, we also explored how to incorporate mushrooms into your diet. We saw that they are incredibly versatile. They can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, or even eaten raw in salads. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, and can be a delicious addition to your meals. But remember, while mushrooms are beneficial, they should be part of a balanced diet. It's also important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always consult a healthcare provider before making drastic changes to your diet. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more informative and educational content coming your way. Stay tuned and keep learning about the amazing benefits of different foods and how they can promote your health and well-being. Remember, your health is your wealth. Incorporate mushrooms into your diet and reap the benefits. Until next time, stay healthy.